how your box frill looks like. Of course, while making your boxes, you may leave equal gap between your boxes. Even that looks very pleasant. But we have not left any gap. In fact, if you will see, all our boxes are so very close to each other that the pins are touching each other. And the reason being that the third frilling that I told you in the beginning, diamond, you'll be making from this box. So to make diamond, what you need to do is first you make your boxes. As you can see, the size of our boxes are slightly bigger than what I had shown you. Okay, because we are going to create diamond out of this box. And how do we go about? First thing, so we'll be making diamond frills out of the box frill that we have made. As you can see, these pins are quite close to each other, and now we will start making our diamonds. Okay. So of course you need pins which should not be rusted and straight up, not bent. So what we do is, at a certain interval, say about 2 inches from the top, we hold the edge of this split here and the edge of this split here, and we bring it together like this. Of course, in hotel they use those staplers. We are going to practice the traditional method using the pin, and we go in like a stitch. So the pin goes in the first frill, the first split, the second split, comes out like a stitch, back in the first split, and from here it goes in again, and it goes here. The pin is here. If you will touch, you will see that the pin is here, or at times here. Okay, it should not come out. It won't look good, and a lady with dress, if the pin gets entangled, can be an issue for the bangle. Okay, so this is how you go on pinning right up to the last box. It is the same height, and of course you need to get it properly. So not just the upper part, but the fold that is there behind, that also needs to be taken together. Pin it like a stitch. नीचे हो गया. You have to keep an eye on that it remains on the same level. Okay, so we go ahead with this, all the levels, and now what we need to do is this fold here will be pinned here. And from here we join it here. Okay, so we will hold this point and get it goes here. This is how we will go about with the diamond. Okay, so this is how your diamond frill will eventually look like. Remember, putting pins, first joining the boxes, then the sides. Okay, and that is how you go. And if you remember, I told you in the beginning, if you are going to make diamond frill, let the frill fall on the floor, because it will be eventually pulled up, because this is what we have been doing, right? We have been pinning them. So this frill is bound to get pulled up. Now just a final touch. This is our diamond frill and it is good enough, but we will see if we can add a little bit of touch and come up with something extra. So what I am going to do here is I'll just take out this pin and just give it something like this. So with this, what will happen is our frill will get that 3D effect, and also on top it looks like heart. Okay, so I go on removing the pins from here and just give it a heart shape. So of course this is diamond frill, but with heart on top. And every time I ask my students, कौन सा diamond frill अच्छा लगा, ये वाला या ये? So most of the students have said that this one looks better, because it gives a 3D effect, you know, the raised effect, and like I said, heart on top. So just one more side left. Of course, once I am done, I will make sure that I have collected all my pins, and this is a diamond frill.